my trap.
I actually am claustrophobic, but I have a knack for going into small places.
I can't believe she's going in there.
It's a long tunnel under a road. Going in. So it's getting more narrow as I continue to go in. You can see my shoulders are touching. I'm army crawling, but my forearms are killing me. It's getting painful. I don't even want to see my elbows. So, let's see if you can see him. I can see him. I can see his little eyes. So he's basically halfway between me and the other drain opening. We've got the other side blocked off and somebody there waiting to grab him. So, almost, little buddy. I can see him. And I can see the end. So, we had another friend, Andrea, waiting at the other side of the tunnel with a trap. It took me 30 minutes. That was the fastest I could go. I'm gonna try to push him out. All right. All right, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Ah! I know, buddy. It's okay.
Does she have him?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm not letting him go. Everything's gonna be okay. Right here, Liz.
Okay, give me a cage.
I'll just go. Okay,
There he is.
yeah?
Oh my god. Close it.
Gotcha.
Oh,
We got you, buddy. All right.
hi, baby. Hi,
Finally
baby.
out.
It's okay.
We were all just so relieved. I was just so happy. It was the greatest feeling ever. The entire roll, huh? Who did that? Uh-huh. Troublemaker. I was really excited to foster him as well.
D-Man, you're so ferocious. Whoa, look at that belly. Oh my goodness, that's a very kissable belly, sir.
He is a wild child and is going to be super stoked to have feline friends because he loves to play. He loves these collapsible tunnels. I named him Donatello after one of the Ninja Turtles. It seemed like a very fitting name for him. Donatello and I have a little pre-meal ritual. It goes a little something like this. First, we get kisses. Mandatory. Then, go ahead. Oh my goodness. And we've got somebody else joining us. He can't get all the attention, right? He literally would fall asleep on top of my head. I'm sure it was a lot for him at first, but he's in good hands and he's not in danger anymore. Want to try him on? You're a little big, buddy.